Okay, this is my second BirchBox for February. Now, this box is kind of, you get 5 sample items, so they're not full size, but they're sample items of different beauty items that you might want to purchase, and they give you these little samples that you can try out. And then, of course, you can purchase the full size items on their website. They're smart. They know how to make a buck. So let's see what I got. Okay, when you open it, you get a little card, and then on the back, it actually has all the information. It says, fall in love with the pampering products below. So it has all of the 5 sample items that I'm getting and what their full size price is. And then, of course, I get to invite friends. So if anybody's curious about BirchBox, feel free to look down in my comments, and I'll definitely post how you can sign up for BirchBox as well. I know, shameless plug, sorry. Gotta do it. Okay, let's see what I got. First item is a little facial scrub, it looks like. So this is Daily Concepts Your Facial Mini Scrubber with smart technology. Wonder what that means. So this is a travel size makeup remover, exfoliating face scrubber for all skin types. Now that's cool. I do like this. I was just traveling a couple weeks ago, and these type of small travel items I love. They fit in that little Ziploc bag you get to take through the airport. And so this is cool. It's a little sponge that you can get wet, and I'm sure you can lather up and scrub your face. So I'll definitely try this out. Okay, next item I'm seeing is a perfume sample, which I don't always love perfume samples. Not because I don't love the smell of different perfumes. I just personally have allergic reactions to pretty much any perfume. So I really have to stay away from perfumes that you spray on, and I have to kind of stick to more of the lotions, and those even I have to be careful. I've always broken out ever since I was a kid. So I tend to give these away and steer clear of spraying them on me. But this is called Clean Reserve Amber Saffron. It smells good, but I'm probably not going to spray it. You guys will just have to look it up or try it out yourself, because I don't want to risk breaking out. I usually will get bumps and break out, which I don't love. Okay, next item is Balance Cream Wonder Eye Cream. Well, hopefully you can see that. Okay, so this is just going to be an eye cream that you're supposed to smooth on around your eyes, and it's going to address any dark shadows and firm skin and reduce puffiness, which I can always use. I'm noticing as I get older, I definitely get more puffy in this area, so I'll definitely try this. And then I've gotten this is Lumiere de Haver, I'm saying that horribly wrong, Prep and Protect hair care product. So this looks like it is to strengthen and repair your hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, I see. And it's a good little size, so definitely, again, nice little travel size to take on any trips that you might go on. Okay, and then we have a MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. So it's just a cute little mascara, and I love the size of this. This is nice to put in a really small purse or a small clutch and take with you. You don't have to have the long, mascara that's going to take up all the room in your purse. So I like this. And I've had a few MAC products over the years, but I don't know if I've tried their mascara, so I'll definitely be curious to see how this does. Okay, and then as far as a quick summary, this is the Daily Concepts Your Facial Micro Scrubber, and this for a full-size one is going to be $8. And then your MAC Cosmetic mascara, full size, is $23. And then your eye cream, Wonder Eye Cream, full size, is $29. And then your, let's see here, your Super Comb Prep and Protect, full size, is $32. And then lastly, the Clean Reserve Amber Saffron is $95. So 5 cute different little items. You know, just for this, I'm loving this because I'll take this on the next trip I go on, and it's nice for makeup removing when you're traveling. And then the mascara too is, you know, cool to have in your purse. So overall, I'm happy with this month's, you know, Birchbox items. And this is, again, just a way to try different trial size items, see if you like them, then you can definitely purchase them. You know, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and, you know, make sure to hit the like button and comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are about Birchbox, if you've tried it, if you've liked it, or if you've ended up canceling your subscription. I'm definitely curious to see what others' opinions are about Birchbox, so let me know down below. Thanks for watching.